Okay, I have not done a farm update in a long time. So, here is what the incubator house, which we call our hotel, and there's my Appenzellers, because what's a chicken video without chickens? But, there's that. The jail now is my baby area, and we've been having a lot of trouble this year. Oops, let me put this back to 1. Okay, we've been having a lot of trouble this year. I'm gonna have to get some, my husband bought me some traps, but I'm fighting with skunks and a groundhog. But here's the jail. And this at one point was in my incubator room, which was my incubator / brooder room. I now have my own brooder room, and I'll do a video on it. But here's my jail. And my babies. Is that the babies? I actually just moved a bunch of babies out of here. But you can see we've added a bunch of baby barns. And of course it's a chicken place, so it's kind of dirty. Huh. So, there's my silkies. And you can see in the very back here, let's see if I can go in on them. Oop, a little too far in. There in the very back, I've got blue black splash Cochins. I'll probably grab them. Let's see. I'm going to go back to where I was. But I combined in my 2 Silkie barns because we haven't added any barns this year. Dude, you're in the wrong barn. You're in the wrong barn. Okay, I'm going to have to rescue my rooster because he's in the rooster barn instead of with his girls over here in the Houdan barn. But this is my rooster barn because I am learning, especially as a breeder, I have more trouble finding roosters than I do finding hens. Especially rare roosters like that boy right there. Dude, go through the hole. Okay. My husband added these. These are going to be like, we thought we were going to put plants in them, but yeah. My girls think they're the perfect dust bathing material. So, no plants for these. Let's see. This is, of course, my Appenzeller Barn, which I'm combining all my colors for right now because I don't have enough barns. And in this one barn, we discovered something. It's a 2 barn. See? Anyways, there's some of my silver laced. And for some reason, this year, the hatcheries are actually putting gold roosters over silver hens. Not real sure on that, but that means silver roosters, silver laced roosters are really hard to find, at least in my area. Okay? Here is my buffs and my gold lace. And I'll show you, I got the start of a candy corn. I think it's candy corn or toll bun project. See my little boy there? And I got a couple babies, and I got a couple babies I've hatched out. And there's the rest of my girls. Okay, that's 4 of my coops. We also moved, and we're putting, that is my brooder room, which is, I think, a 16 by 10. It'll have 98 brooders that can hold 25 to 35 babies, depending on what size they are. Let's see. And there's the front. He got all my little porches done. He's got hitching post, as you can see. And then here's my messy silver lace. And like I said, the golds, for some reason, when I picked these guys up, don't you do it. He's mean. When I picked these guys up, they had gold roosters with my silver. So, I'll take what I can get, boy-wise. Alright. And my Deathlayers. Everybody's out, except for this broody girl. And that broody girl. Here. Alright. And then I'm feeding fermented food, as you can see. Here are my blue black splash Polish. I did get in here with fermented. But you can see all these guys. And then I can show you In this one, because I'm worried about them having enough water, I have the bucket and I just bought that big black tub. But I'll be switching everybody out to these because I live in Northwest Arkansas. And in Northwest Arkansas, you go from 110 to negative temperature. So, you want stuff you can break out. And I want stuff that's not going to keep leaking. And you can see the water around that where it's leaking. Which, I mean, isn't too bad if I'm here, but I've got 2 days a week that I'm actually gone. Hey, guys, chill. Chill. Okay, to the Houdan. I showed you my silver lace, and then here's my well, they're not really teenagers. They're not quite big enough to be in the jail, and my husband bought this coop. We were at one of our other businesses. It's You Name It Collectibles, and he bought this coop for me for 75 bucks. Pretty good price considering it costs like 400. And I'm hoping, oh, there's my little baby, my candy corn baby. I don't know if he candy corn or topaz, but those are all my babies there. I am overran by wildcats. Overran. Here's my Houdans. Hey, ladies. Sir. 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 Hey, sir. Sir. Can I interest you in a hole? I'm going to have to go save him. He ain't smart enough to go back through the hole, but he climbed out of it. Anyways, those are my Houdans. Then I needed to make room. This is my original barn that I've had since 2022. But I needed to make room. Woo! Woo, goodies. So this is just kind of a mixed barn now. And silkies and naked ducks. Look at all my broody girls. All those girls are broody. Here, let me show you this. Now you see those two up front? These are broody hens. I got 4 hens in one basket. Look at that. These are the broodiest dang birds. If their butts were bigger, they could actually brood enough for it to be worth it. But you can see. So I used to have 3 silky barns, and now I only have 2. That's one of them. Hold on. I might cut this stuff out. There is barn number 2. And I've got a frizzle in here. So that's these guys. Next. Now these barns here I'm really not using because I don't care for them. I might end up moving a small breeding group in there. But in general, I really don't care for them. And then here is my Americana Turken kind of mixed barn. Hey baby. Trying to replace, I had traded off my Turkens, naked necks for, I traded them off for the Ayam Cemamis, which I don't like them. My Cemami rooster done kicked my butt one time too many. So I've got them up for sale. And then I will show you through the gate. Those are my Cemamis, which I have them up for sale. They're $500 for the whole group. Good, we got water still. Let's come in here to, these are some of my favorite birds. Believe it or not. These are my Orpingtons. And they are some of my favorites. And again, broody mamas. You guys have water. Good. But these are my chocolate Orpingtons. And then, you know that old game show. But wait, there's more. Right here this is why I'm down to one Silkie barn, is because I wanted this. Now, look at that. There's 3 in there that are brooding. Look at that. Get out of there, ladies. Get out, mama. But these are Cochins. You can tell by their fuzzy feet and their fuzzy butts. And that was the breed that I combined in my 2 barns for. Now, one more spot. Okay. And these are my Jubilee Orpingtons. Look at this. Good, you guys got water too. These are my Jubilees. So, I'm looking for a rooster for them. I haven't found one yet, but I'm looking. Alright, there is an update. This is August 7th of 2024. And that is how it's going.